Welcome to 28 Bal Harbour Drive in Grimsby, Ontario. Lakefront living at Bal Harbour Estates. Beautifully maintained with manicured grounds and fabulous lake views. This is a bright and spacious 4-level side split with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The welcoming main floor family room has a bay window and hardwood floors. It's open to the dining area with sliding doors to a covered deck and an extraordinary private yard. With a warm eat-in kitchen with abundant cabinetry and ample counter space. The kitchen also includes a fridge, stove, and dishwasher. There's a bright, spacious master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. There are also 2 other additional bedrooms on the upper floor. And an upper level 4-piece bathroom. The lower level has an additional warm and inviting family room with a wood-burning fireplace, an additional large bedroom, additional bathroom, and a second staircase, making it ideal for a possible in-law accommodation. A beautiful, broad, private backyard with a lovely covered deck and abundant space for plenty of outdoor furniture and activities. A wonderful backyard for entertaining and relaxation. Some other features of this wonderful home include central air, a 2-car garage, new roof shingles in 2015, and it's only steps to the Bal Harbour Waterfront Park with unobstructed views of the Toronto Skyline. This home was meant for family beach picnics and backyard barbecues. Welcome home!